Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about Sea Ray's 2019 21 SPX. It's a really cool bow rider. It's a great entry-level boat for us down here, 21 feet. It's big enough to get you out in the Gulf, zipping around out there, no problem. As you can see, the black hull is full all the way from the rub rail all the way down underneath. So you've got the full black hull, which is really sharp looking. And you've got the sports tower up there with the bimini top. And as we move to the back of the boat, it's got the flexi teak here. And then we also have the brand new, the 2019 Mercs. It's a 200 horsepower. It's lighter. It's more powerful. It gets you up on plane quicker. It's quieter. It has less vibration. This year's new motors are fantastic. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 21 SPX, and let's start at the back of the boat. We've got the sun pad that converts into a bench seat. You've got the tow bar right there. You've got the full sea deck from the swim platform all the way into the boat. We've got large storage underneath as well. We've got the lounge seating, so you can lounge backwards to make good open seating here, and then you can move it forward, and it's a forward-facing seat. Over at the helm, you got the real comfortable captain's chairs. You've got all your instruments right here. You've got all your pressures and your gas and everything else is all right down in here. And it's really sporty looking with the tower and everything else. You've got a nice open bow seating area. It's very comfortable for facing forward and backwards as well. It's got a rocking sound system. And it's just a great all-around boat. So if you're looking for something to zip you around, especially down here in Naples, it'll do it very cool looking and very comfortably. So if you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.